Let's look at processing invoices through Ephesoft. I'll open up these images before we run them through the software. These are 7 different invoices that we're going to run through. All have different vendors and are all different variations. What we'll do now is go over to software. Ephesoft is browser-based, so there's no need to install anything. And we have administrative functions, such as reports. If I wanted to generate a report on how well Ephesoft is extracting data, I could do that in this area. But for now, I'll just go to this operator side. As an operator, I could upload a new set of documents, like the ones I have on my desktop. I'll just pull those open, drag them into the software, and they're uploaded. I then will start the batch, and I'll go back over to my home screen. Now I'll view my batches. So this is the batch list that operators will work out of, or a batch queue. There's different review items, batches that need to pass a document review stage. But for now, I'll jump into this validation stage, where we'll look at the documents that we just uploaded. I'll click on this batch, and now I can see that on the left-hand side, all my invoices have been separated and grouped together. The metadata is in the center here, and the image is on the right-hand side. You can see right away that on Doc 3, there's an issue with the invoice number. The Ephesoft extraction rule was not able to extract the value because there's some noise or the spilt coffee on the image itself here. So in this case, I'll use a manual key and just enter the data in manually. I can now hit this validate button to validate that this document is complete, and you can see that the red line on the left hand side of it changed from red to green. Cancel this for now. Any document that has a red bar on the left hand side has an exception tied to it. The other documents in this batch are all green documents, so there's no need to look at them. The operator, of course, can click on them and examine all the data that is being extracted. There's also some other functionality here, such as Ephesoft's table extraction, where if we want to extract out the line item detail within an invoice, we can do so. I'll click Table View. I can quickly look at here, all the data is being captured correctly, but Ephesoft can automatically extract out the line item detail of a particular invoice. Since this batch is all completed, I can click this Validate button again, and the batch is completed. Click OK, and I'll be directed back to the batch list screen and pick up another batch. So it's that easy to process invoices in Ephesoft. You only stop on the exceptions to the process and don't need to look at every single invoice that comes into the system.